Hello FMG. Today we are going to see physiology one-liners. First question. Non-shivering thermogenesis is due to norepinephrine or noradrenaline. Cold adaptation is due to thyroxine. First heart sound is due to closure of AV valves. Lipid and proteins in the cell membrane interact by hydrogen bonds. Unsaturated fatty acid decreases transition temperature. Unsaturated fatty acid increase fluidity. Amniocytosis, excretion of specific hormones and granules by cell, needs calcium. Transcytosis, vesicular transport within cell. Functional residual capacity is not measured by spirometry. Heart failure cells, hemosiderin, Landon alveolar macrophages seen in heart failure. Only hypercapnia, not hypocapnia, stimulates receptors. Erythropoietin levels are increased during assimilations. Juxtamedullary nephrons contain 15% of nephrons. Enterogastric reflex is stimulated by acidity of duodenal chyme. Insulin does not cross placenta. Prostatic secretion is rich in enzymes, zinc and citrate. Prolactin increases dopamine synthesis. Dopamine inhibits prolactin synthesis. The only output from cerebral cortex axons of Purkinje cells. Calmodulin is a calcium dependent. HPA alpha 2, beta 2, alpha 2 and beta 2. HbA2 is alpha 2, delta 2, alpha 2, delta 2. HbF alpha 2, gamma 2, alpha 2, gamma 2. Both's hemoglobin, gamma 4, stroke volume of blood that is ejected by each ventricle with each beat is normally 70 ml. Ventricular and diastolic volume of blood in the ventricle just prior to the onset of ventricular contraction. Normal value is 110 to 120 ml. Ventricular end systolic volume, the volume of blood remaining in the ventricle at the end of the ejection, normally 40 to 50 ml. P wave 0.08 to 0.1 second is a normal. It's called atrial depolarization. PR interval 0.12 to 0.20 second arterial depolarization and conduction through AV node measured from beginning of QRS complex. QRS duration is 0.08 to 0.10 second. Ventricular depolarization and arterial repolarization. T wave ventricular repolarization. U wave slow repolarization of papillary muscles. CAMP pathway. Adrenaline, calcitonin, glucagon, TSH, FSH. CAMP pathway, adrenaline, calcitonin, glucagon, TSH, FSH, LH, ACTH, PTH. IP3DAG, vasopressin, oxytocin. Thyroxine kinase, insulin growth hormone. Cytoplasmic receptors, steroids, glucocorticoids, mineralocorticoids, estrogen and progesterone. Nuclear receptor is thyroxine. Zona glomerulus aldosterone, zona fasciculate cortisol, zona reticularis androgens. Etocells are fat containing lipocytes in the space of disease of the liver. Kupper cells are phagocytic cell, part of monocyte and macrophage cells. Macrolgia is a CNS macrophages. Astrocytes maintain blood-brain barrier, repair and scar formation. Oligodendrocytes, formation of myelin in CNS. Epidermal cells line the ventricular system. Lateral nucleus of hypothalamus, feeding center. Ventromedial nucleus of hypothalamus, satiety center. Oxytocin is synthesized by hypothalamus. Oxytocin is released by posterior pituitary. Melatonin is secreted by pineal gland. Alpha cells of pancreas, glucagon. Beta cells of pancreas, insulin. Delta cells of pancreas, somatostatin. Tidal volume, air that is taken in or given out during normal quiet respiration. Inspiratory reservoir volume, air that can be taken in over and above the tidal volume. Expiratory reservoir volume, maximum volume of air that contain expired over and above the tidal volume. Residual volume, volume of air that remains in lungs after forceful expiration. Inspiratory capacity, maximum of volume of air that can be inspired after normal tidal expiration. IC equal to IRV plus TV. Vital capacity, maximum volume of air that can be expired after deepest possible inspiration. Total lung capacity, sum of vital lung and residual volume. Prolactin, promote breast development in pregnancy and lactation. FSH, stimulate ovarian follicle growth in female and spermatogenesis in male. LH, stimulate ovulation and luteinization of ovarian follicles in female and testosterone secretion in male. Estrogen, responsible for maintenance of oogenesis, development of sex organs and secondary sexual characters of females and at puberty. Progesterone prepares the endometrium for implantation of the fertilized ovum and promotes growth and development of the breast. Testosterone, the responsible of maintenance of spermatogenesis, development of sex organs and secondary sexual characters in males at puberty. Oxytocin, uterine contraction during labor and promotes milk ejection during breastfeed. Mitochondria, production of energy, rough endoplasmic reticulum, packaging of proteins, smooth endoplasmic reticulum, lipid synthesis. Ribosome, protein synthesis. Golgi apparatus, concentration of proteins and polysaccharides. Centriole, initiate the process of the cell division.